Hi everyone, I wanted to hop on and go over the Mast assignment that everybody, if you haven't already started it, you should be starting it this week. It is due on the 10th. We will go over here to the left side of the page. We're going to go to the textbook link. That's where you should have been going to hop on to your MindTap stuff, which is at the top. But for Mast, we're actually going to go to this link for Mast 1100 Mast activities. And we're going to click on that link and you're going to do the same thing that you did when you logged on to the Cengage class to do all of the job skills. And it's going to take you to the screen and it's going to show you your Unit 2 and Unit 4 assignments. So it said in the Mast assignments on Blackboard that you had to do Unit 2 Module 6, and it has a training and assessment, which yes, you will do both. And then Unit 4, you do both modules, and they have their own few more there. Training and assessments, yes, you need to do all of them. And then Module 12, looks like they've got just 2 sets, a training and assessment and training and assessment. So you will go through, you'll click on the training, and then it has all of these training posts that you will do, all of these training skills, posting to a co-payment for different patients. It gives you different patients to go through. It trains you. So it tells you how to do it. It will take you through and show you. You'll start the assignment. This is very easy. This is a much better system than we have had in the past. It tells you instructions, it can give you hints, and it can tell you solutions to problems that you are having. But basically, you go through and it tells you what you will be doing. So we can go back here because I don't want to actually do one. But you will do the same thing for all of these. And again, it'll take you through. So once you've done all the training, then it's going to take you through an assessment. And the assessment is basically like your little test. You do have to do all of the assessments and training for it to count for a grade. And you can see all the little orange dots. I went through and I took out everything else. Other than the training and assessment, no, you do not need to do the billing unit test. You do not need to do a capstone simulation. You don't need to do this final test here. You don't need to do this Mast capstone simulation. You do not need to do anything else other than this Module 6 and this Module 11 and 12. Those are the only things that are going towards your grade. This is not something that I will grade. This is a grade that will be accumulative, which means that it will be averaged out to 1 grade and it will go into Blackboard. What I will do is right before the 10th, right after the 10th, when everything is due, I will go in and make sure that everyone has done them. If you did not do a section, it will be put in as a 0, and that will be averaged in to your total grade. So you will only have 1 grade for your Mast assignment. So if you look on the calendar, some people have already started, which is fine. I didn't want to jump ahead, though, too early for those who were following the calendar. So Chapter 18 tests, assessments, and apply yourself, all of that should be done today. This evening it'll be due. You can start the Mast, and then you'll actually have a little over 2 weeks, so about 15 days. The 10th, you need to complete it. And then final exams will be on the 11th. I'm going to send out an email concerning final exams as well so that everybody has that information. If you have any questions, you know to reach out to me. If I don't respond to you, I am out checking on externs during this time, but I usually respond within 24 hours.